Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the Blade website dashboard. Let's get started. When you log into the Blade website, the dashboard is your first stop in the app. The layout can be customized to suit your preferences simply by dragging, moving, and dropping dashboard tiles. On the left of my layout, you'll see your personal Blade access information. This tile displays your access permission to the entire Blade account. It also displays your personal access permissions to individual companies within the account. Let's first take a quick look at permissions to the entire Blade account. There are two account access levels, admin or user. All account users who have been given admin access can manage all Blade settings. To manage settings, navigate to the gear icon in the upper right, then click on Account Settings. Account administrators can manage the Blade subscription, users, companies, general inputs, invoice settings, services, and price lists. Those with only user access to the Blade account cannot access account settings. You can assign, change, or remove account access level permissions when adding or editing a user. But the best place to manage account administrators is in Account Settings on the Account tab. The account tile also displays the companies you have been connected to and your access level permissions to each of those companies. Company access level permissions are admin, finance, manager, or technician. These access level permissions restrict access to company information and tools based on the user's job function. Assigning, changing, or removing company access level permissions can be done when adding or editing a user. But the best place to manage user access to a company is in Company Settings. To access Company Settings, click on the gear icon, then click on Account Settings, and finally on the Companies tab. Select a company and manage user access and permissions as shown here. Changes are saved automatically. It's sometimes nice to start your day with a bit of inspiration or levity. A thought of the day is displayed in this tile. Each day, it displays a different humorous or inspirational quote. This tile is the Quick Links tile. It displays a list of documents that all account users can see and download to their local PC. These documents can be training guides, reference materials, industry standards, regulations, company policies, goals, updates, or any other type of document to share. Add documents to the Quick Links tile on the General Inputs tab in Account Settings. This tile lists jobs assigned to you with invoices that are unpaid more than 40 days. Click the job link to be taken directly to the job. This tile lists incomplete tasks assigned to you. The Metrics tile helps you identify performance trends and potential bottlenecks. First, select a company. The first two charts are indicators of job intake and processing performance. The first chart shows how long your active jobs have been in each of the major lifecycle queues. In process and in review queues are major lifecycle queues for jobs that have not yet been marked as ready for billing. The green-colored billing column shows the combined total number of days your active jobs have been in all billing queues. The second chart is a 6-month rolling snapshot of the number of jobs started each month. This chart displays a rolling 6-month snapshot of the total dollars collected each month. The last chart is a rolling 12-month average of fully paid invoices. It shows the gap between what was initially invoiced and what was eventually collected. And remember, you can see a lot more financial and performance information using the Blade Reports tool and in various other places within the app. Well, that's a quick tour of the Blade dashboard. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.